Hi guys, Innovation and Design Thinking Workshop, Innovative Ideas. Myself, Abhinand Haridas from AIDS, startup company, Cipher, product present name, watch, product proposed name, time wise watch. Empathizing, mentoring some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Customized watches and which will be satisfied with the customer, it can be used as automatically. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name watch, futuristic product name time voice watch. And some of the additional features to be added are mentored here. CAD software used for creating detailed 2D and 3D models of the watch components, stainless steel titanium, technical design, detailed technical drawings and 3D models are developed using CAD software. Here prototype. In prototype stage, the real working models has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentations video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.